Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to make PDF file in mobile. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First up, go ahead and open up the Google Drive app. If you don't have the application on your phone, you can go ahead and download it from an app store or Play Store. Once the app opens up, click on the plus icon in the bottom right and tap Scan. Now take a photo of the document you'd like to scan. Adjust the scanned area. Once you're satisfied with the document, tap on Done. If you want to take multiple pictures, you can tap on the plus icon here. And then to save the finished document, tap Save. Now choose a location for your PDF to save and enter a new name and then tap Save. With this, your PDF will be created and will be saved to your drive. Now if you want to find your saved PDF, you can go ahead and enter the name you just set for your PDF on the search bar and tap on it to open it. If you want to share it, click on the three dots on the upper right corner, tap on Send a Copy, and from here you can send the PDF to an email, chat, messenger, or whatever you like. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.